Hi everyone and welcome back for another tutorial with Polka Art Studio. Today we are very excited to share with you a wonderful new project created by our guest designer Robine from Your Juliet. She has created a very fun project, perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike, a ring-bound flip calendar. We warmly invite you to visit her YouTube channel, where you'll discover a treasure trove of beautiful project tutorials. We're confident you'll adore her just as much as we do. Support her by subscribing and sharing the love. The link is in the video description. We also invite you to visit her website, where you'll be amazed by a stunning variety of beautiful projects, including albums, journals, and mixed media creations. In the video description, we've included calendar pages for both 2024 and 2025 that you can use for this project. Feel free to follow along with any papers you have, but if you'd like to use the same ones we did, check the video description for a link to the kit. And now, without further ado, let's get started. To begin this project, you'll need 2 chipboard panels. Alternatively, you can use heavy cardstock or some sturdy packaging materials. Cut them to measure 4.9 inches by 5.3 inches. Of course, you can alter these measurements if you want the project to be bigger or smaller, but then you will have to adjust all the other ones, depending on the size you desire. Choose the decorative paper you want. The papers we used are 8 by 8 inches and can be printed on 160 GSM cardstock. Place the panel on top of the decorative paper and cut a border around it of about 1.5 inches on all sides. Cut all the corners to the same size and fold over the chipboard panel. Once you are happy with it, glue it. If you want to embellish this cover with lace, now is the time to do it. Use a heat gun or a strong fabric glue and apply it around the back edges of the panel. Attach the lace and allow it to dry. Next, cut another panel, this time a tiny bit smaller than the first. This is going to be our backing. This one measures 4.7 by 4.7 inches. Follow the same steps as before and cover it with your choice of decorative paper. If the lace you used is too thick, you can follow the trick Robine used and glue first a panel or 2 in order to fill the gap. You can now place the backing panel. Next, you'll need 2 identical panels measuring 6 by 6 inches and 2 strips measuring 6 by 1.5 inches. These will form the base of our calendar. We'll bind them together by covering them with decorative paper. Since our chosen paper isn't wide enough, we'll use 3 overlapping pieces to ensure everything is covered. Depending on the papers you use, make sure that when folded, the design faces the right side up. Place the left paper to face the left and the right one to face the right. Measure the paper to cover the panels and cut away any excess. We will now glue them together. Flip them upside down and place the panels, evenly spaced with a gap between each of them of about 1/4 of an inch. Wrap the decorative paper around the panels and glue them together. It is now time to cover the back. Measure 2 pieces of decorative paper and glue on the back, making sure they fold without creases. Next, we can punch the holes where the rings will be attached. Take both the cover and the base, align them carefully, and punch 2 holes at the top of the side. This ensures that the rings will be perfectly aligned for easy attachment. You can use a ruler to measure an equal distance from the center on both sides, but keep in mind that it is important that they match. Before the next step, you can decorate this cover in any way that you like. But if you want to follow the same design as Robine, you will find the frame and the fussy cut suitcases in one of the decorative papers. To glue them down, you can use some double-sided adhesive foam squares. Decorate the holes with eyelets. Use any decorative elements you have handy to further embellish the cover, such as scrapbooking words, flowers, beads, or anything else that you like. A great way to add extra interest is to dilute some white acrylic paint with water and sprinkle it on the cover using a brush. It is now time to add our calendar pages. Align them with the top of your base and mark where the holes need to be punched so they match. Add the rings and slide in the pages. Your project is now complete. We hope you have enjoyed this wonderful and fun project and that it has inspired you to create your own desk calendar. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon. Until then, have fun crafting.